Coming to the writing section, one of the important things of writing section, that is job application letter. This job application letter is written whenever one is applying for a job, or whenever there is an advertisement for some vacancy or something like that. Against that vacancy advertisement, this job application letter is written. This comes in the category of formal letter. Hence, the format for the job application letter will be that of the formal letter. Now, job application letter has two parts. First is the covering letter. Start body of the letter giving source of information about the job, the advertisement number, the date of the publication of the newspaper, and so on, from where you have come to know. So that reference can be stated over here. Close the letter giving note that biodata or resume is enclosed. The second part is the biodata. Now, biodata or resume or curriculum vitae, these are the three different names, but they are all the same. It is an integral part of job application. Now, when you are writing job application letter, you have to write both the parts, covering letter as well as the biodata. Now, biodata should include name, date of birth, address, educational qualification, experience, hobbies, etc., salary expected, reference. Now, here we see a sample covering letter which can be used anywhere, which can be used for any question related to job application letter. Sender's address, date, receiver's address, subject, application for the post of, then the name of the post, sir, that is salutation. In response to your advertisement in Hindustan Times, here I have written the name of the newspaper, it can be any newspaper. Dated, date of publication, for the post, and then name of the post. I hereby offer my candidature for the same. I possess requisite qualifications and experience. If given a chance, I shall put my best efforts to fulfill the expectations of the organization. You may call me for an interview on any date as per your convenience. I hope for a favorable reply. My detailed biodata is enclosed for your perusal. Thanking you, yours sincerely, the name and enclosure, mentioning the enclosure at the end. Number 1, biodata. Number 2, copies of certificates. Now, if you look at this sample covering letter, you see that there are certain things which are written in parenthesis, that is in bracket, and or they are underlined, that is a blank. So these things can be filled up as per the requirement of the question. Remaining entire matter remains the same. The sender's address, receiver's address will be as per the requirement of the question. Name of the post, date, name of the post, and all these things, they will remain. They will be as per the requirement of the question. Remaining entire content will remain the same. Now, talking about biodata, which is also known as resume or curriculum vitae, that is so these are the headings which should be there. Name, father's name, date of birth, nationality, address. In address, you can mention the address you have mentioned in the sender's address, or you can add up your email ID or phone number or other details. Then educational qualification. Educational qualification is always preferred to be presented in a tabular form, something like this. Serial number, exam passed, board or university, year of passing, percentage marks, then 1, 2, 3, 4, and then giving all the details. Job experience. Now, in the case of job experience, remember that if it is if you are already working and you have worked at only one place, fine, only that will be mentioned. Otherwise, if you have worked earlier at other places, so the latest one will be the first one, and it will go in reverse order. Then present salary, expected salary. Now, these 2 points, if in the question the salary amount is written, salary amount is mentioned, then point number 8 and 9 will not be there. If salary amount is not mentioned, then point number 8 and 9 will be there. Then you can add up other headings also, such as hobbies or achievements or languages known or something like that. But these are the 10 things which you will be mentioning in most of the biodata. Then 10th is the references. So in references we write, give 2 references, 2 names and 2 addresses. name of the people and their addresses. Now one question, you are Sudha Sudhir, resident of A7 Shanti Park. You read the following advertisement in the newspaper. Required PGT English at ABC School, MA, B.Ed, minimum 3 years experience, should be computer savvy, salary as per government norms, apply within 15 days to the principal, ABC School, Kanpur, phone number 2345678. Now, the covering letter first. So, sender's address, date, receiver's address, subject, application for the post of PGT English. Sir, in response to your advertisement in Hindustan Times, dated, date. Why I have underlined it so that you remember that in the one which I gave and asked you to learn by heart, there were certain blanks. Now these blanks are filled up according to the requirement of the question. For the post of PGT English, I hereby offer my candidature for the same. Rest everything else, if you look at the matter, it is the same. I possess requisite qualifications and experience. If given a chance, I shall put my best efforts to fulfill the expectations of the organization. You may call me for an interview on any date as per your convenience. I hope for a favorable reply. My detailed biodata is enclosed for your perusal. Thanking you, yours sincerely. Name, then enclosure, number 1 biodata, number 2 copies of certificates. Now the biodata for the covering letter which we have prepared just now. Name, Sudhir, father's name, Mr. Kumar, date of birth, 1st January 1993. Now you will have to be very alert while you are writing the date of birth, because accordingly you have to fulfill the criteria and you should be keep making it logical. Suppose we are writing it in 2020 or 2021. So our age should be accordingly that way, and the qualification should also be in that way. So that is why I have put it here, 1st January 1993. Nationality Indian, address A7 Shanti Park, Varanasi. Now educational qualification, serial number, exam pass, board, university, year of passing, percentage marks. So 93 I have kept it here, so 15 years counting from here. So class 10th, 2008. So after class 10, 2 years after class 10th, it is class 12, that is in 2010. Then after class 12th, 3 years for graduation, so it is 2013. And then next 2 years it will take for post-graduation, so it is 2015. And then the professional degree or the qualification, depending upon which type of professional degree you are presenting over here. So usually in B.Ed it takes 1 year, and all other details. Job experience, working as PGT English at Star Public School, Varanasi since July 2016. Present salary 40,000 per month. Expected salary 45,000 per month. And then references. Number 1, Dr. Singh, HOD English, BHU. Number 2, Mr. Patel, Principal, Star Public School, Varanasi. So this is how we prepare the biodata. And this is how the job application letter is written. Once more, a reminder to all that whenever we are attempting job application letter, we have to make sure that we have written both the covering letter as well as the biodata. And keeping in mind the examination point of view, job application letter is more scoring letter than any other letter. This is all about job application letter.